what I want to launch and what I'm going to launch, and I think I'm just going to jump on it now, is just say from now until Christmas on Tuesdays, we're going to have creative co-working days. So creative co-working, the vision is that it's a day when, as long as there's nothing going on in the studio production-wise, the door is open to local creative people, whatever stage in your journey you're at. You might be a retiree looking to mentor or learn some new skills. You might be a student looking to widen your skills, build up a portfolio. Had an amazing chat with a recent graduate, Elena, just over lunchtime in between recording these two halves. Shout out Elena if you're watching this. Really excited to get her involved, as she is a recent graduate with a creative degree, and moved back to Gosport and looking for ways to keep going in creative projects. So a good example there. Or potentially other freelancers. So I'm looking at you guys that I've spoken to who have skills but are often like me working on your own. The option is to come in and either bring your laptop, bring your work, or just yourself, and literally spend a day working with us. So my vision with that is that we get together for coffee in the morning, so probably around 10 a.m. And my hope is that if you're going to come, that you can commit to being here at 10 a.m. Because what I don't want to do is just have people dropping in and out, and I find that quite disruptive. So my hope is that you can come in for a coffee before 10, and then at a set time, be it 10 or 10:15 or 10:30, we'll see, we have a little check-in where everyone introduces themselves and says what they want to get out of the day, what they're working on. So for my example, I might, for example, say, I'm Nick, I'm the founder here at Media Space, and I'm currently working on, I've got a backlog of podcast episodes and I'm trying to get them out. So my aim is for today, by the end of the day, let's say 4 o'clock, I'm going to have edited and published this podcast that I've got the footage, but it hasn't been done yet. And we would go round, we've got probably room for about 5 or 6 of us here maximum. And each person would say what they're doing, and even if they're coming and saying I don't have anything to get involved with, so if anyone needs help, so there might be people who might hear me say I'm doing that and say, well, can I shadow you, can I look over your shoulder, can I ask questions, can I maybe you show me how your process works on that one, and then we have lunch, and then afterwards I could get going on another episode or something like that. So yeah, that's my idea for creative co-working. I think I'm ready to commit to doing it every Tuesday, 10 till 4, break for lunch. You can either bring your lunch, or there's go for a walk to the local co-op and get a meal deal, or if you really want to push the boat out, there's the potential we could go over to the museum cafe or Powder Monkey. So yeah, that's creative co-working. I'm thinking it'd be good to have people contribute, because I need to keep the lights on. So what you get for that is your desk space, a chair, tea and coffee and soft drinks, use of the kitchen and toilet facilities, and the Starlink internet that we've got, the Wi-Fi. And I think if each person were to give what they can, say it's a tenner maybe, to get involved, that would really help kind of bring things together. So that's creative co-working. Initially every Tuesday in September, October, November and December up until Christmas. And I think we'll stay out on Tuesdays, but then also there's the option to add extra days. So if there's days when I know I'm going to be here and we haven't got a shoot going on or a production going on, open the door to say, there's a bonus creative co-working day on, and open the door to that. And also if there's particular people who Tuesdays doesn't fit, but they want to add a different day or even come in on the weekend, we can talk about that. But Tuesdays suit me at the moment, so that's what I really want to go for.